In this video, we will see how to get Educative Premium for free. It's a public account that anyone can access. First, go to the link given in the description and open it. Enter the password. Copy the cookie JSON code and go to the Educative website. But first, you have to install the Cookie Editor extension. Search for it on Google and then add it to Chrome. I have already added it, so on the Educative website, open the Cookie Editor extension. First, delete all cookies, then select the Import option, paste the JSON code here, and press Import. After that, refresh the website. The public premium account gets activated. Enjoy! If you like this video, hit the subscribe button.